All right, let's talk about your bathroom. So your sink is located outside of your toilet and shower area. Okay, and very simple, just regular faucet. You do have a plug to fill the bowl if you'd like. And there's your light switch here. And here's your soap. And below is your storage space for all your needs. And we have a little basket here so you can actually use for, you know, sandy pods and other bathroom accessories. And we're going to go inside the bathroom. And this is how we're going to do this. And we're going to talk about your toilet really quick. So your toilet, very simple. There's a lever here, a foot lever. Slight touch. That'll fill your bowl. And a push, and that'll flush it. And then always try to keep a little bit of water inside your bowl to keep any fumes from, you know, vapors from passing through. Here's your shower. Just like one at home. Hot, cold. And it's a very large space, this shower here. It does have a sliding door with a clip here that just locks in. And it has little instructions here, hold and press. So you can push it in to release it. When you're in there, it'll lock itself. And that is your bathroom. Shower, toilet, and your sink right out here on the outside.